on your phone. Where the fuck are you going, dude? Fucking, I'm telling you, fucking right. What's wrong with you? No. So you've gone out like that super quick and you brake on yourself.